Wanna be side by side. Wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie. Not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie. Not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie. Not this time. Alright.
And you're making me feel so stupid. You never made it to a show, 'cause you're so busy. I know, baby, this window right here is closing. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. Cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby. Pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Oh, take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I try to play it all cool, never expecting too much out of you, but now I need you to meet me in the middle. Don't wanna make no mistake, and I'm trying to keep my priorities straight. So don't blow this, baby. It should be simple. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby. Pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Oh, take it or leave it. 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 Oh, take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I'm trying to stay strong. I can't keep holding on. I've got to be good to me. Exposing my heart. I've done more than my part. Why can't you step up for me? Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, she won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby. Pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it. 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 Oh, take it or leave it. Take it or leave it.
Dude, I almost had you.
I'm pretty sure he just threatened to kill me.
Don't touch your ear like that. You look like an idiot.
children. This is the day you shall always remember as the day that you almost...
I understand everything.
ダメやな。でもダメ。
Everyone is watching, but I still feel so alone, alone. And I've been waiting on a miracle, but by the time it comes, I'll probably be stoned or on my phone. Oh no, now I'm sure that you have got the perfect positive quote to say, but I don't want your optimism today. I just wanna complain. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Feel like I'm way too young to fill this old. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up by rooting in my liver. I'm a poster child, millennial. Feel like I'm way too young to fill this old. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Everyone's invited to this pity party in my head, my head. And I'll cry if I want to, and I want to, but nobody's listening. So I'll just hide away instead. Now I'm sure that you have got the perfect positive thing to say, but I don't want your optimism today. I just wanna complain. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Felt like I'm way too young to fill this hole. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up by rooting in my liver. Keep on trying to do things that require a soul. Feel like I'm way too young to fill this old. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. My parents don't get it, and they don't give me enough credit. My friends, I'm broken. I've tried and I can't stop smoking. My fears are growing, and my learning curve is slowing. I got no friends, and I'm broken. I'm broken. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Feel like I'm way too young to fill this old. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up by rooting in my liver. I'm a poster child, millennial. Feel like I'm way too young to fill this old. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh,
鉄の数焼けたカスみたいなのがいっぱい。
Who am I? I'm Spider-Man.
レジ何本か入れめちゃうんや、六角のやつを。開けちょかな、キャップボルトね。なんか知らんか。覚えてよ、それぐらい。これボルトのね、どれか長さが違うとかあるかな。
Back when we were young, just you and me. Feels like a dream, and happiness was
1、2、3、4、5、6、7個。まだまだ。あら。これ6人か。6人やね。こうしとけば、置いとけば分かろう。これは短い。これ線形分からんことあるからね。右か左か上って書いてる。はい、これは答え。いや、6便。6便。うわ、山ちゃんだらだらこれがいいやん。どっち？向こうよりその3番。あ、こっちには入ってないよ。こっちはね、これね、その360度違うて滑り止めのカットが入っちゅうよね、これ。あ、いや、ベアリングがこれ？あ、そこ多分それやね。これは傷はない。丸山さんに頼む。傷はありません。傷はないけど抜けるか、抜けるかな。うわ、さあ来た。外れましたけど、ここからが時間がかかります。もうこれあれでしょ、もう向こうのケース使おう。エンジン積み替えようと思ったからね、もうミッション使っていいよね。使った方がいい。向こうはね、これ削れちゃうよ。なんで？最初からもうそういうやつよ。
Good Good afternoon to you. Well, despite the fact that temperatures today are far higher than they've been for some considerable time in many parts of the country, we're certainly not out of the woods yet. It does look as if very gradually in the next day or so it's going to turn cold again. And indeed, bad news, I'm afraid.
Heard you were walking around Hampstead Heath. Well, I was out in Camden Town. You got your life all planned, and I'm just trying to sort the day out. Heard you got yourself some new friends. Heard they ain't that kind. So I just pretend as I leave this place again that this just wasn't our time. When our friends talk about you, it's hard to drown them out. 'Cause borrowing your dreams has left me lonely now. And I lost a part of myself that's begging to be found. So I say thank you for the Sunday paper. I step outside, take the news and go back in. I step outside, take the news and go back in. If seasons change and the city stays the same, and we're still in town, is it wishful thinking that maybe ask me round? Would we do things different after all these missteps? Walking in the night. Do you have plans for the road ahead? 'Cause I'm not ready to say goodbye. When our friends talk about you, it's hard to drown them out. 'Cause borrowing your dreams has left me lonely now. And I lost a part of myself that's begging to be found. So I say thank you for the Sunday paper. I step outside, take the news and go back in. I step outside, take the news and go back in. I step outside, take the news and go back in. I step outside, take the news and go back in.
So with a bit of luck, I think we're going to see rather more settled weather than we did in January. But today's picture will certainly have two things of interest. The slow route curling back, becoming an occlusion. Further north there's the sort of meeting point of the warm and cold fronts just there.
I take the news.
I get my hopes up every time, and I don't wanna be let down, me try to find. I just wish I'd see the price tag for my heart breaking. Was it worth all that waiting? And I almost really said, yeah, I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, see where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. Why am I always getting so
I don't miss your touch. I want you so much. I can't go back on your shoulder. Be safe with you when I'm older. Just know I tried to come back for you. I came back for you. Maybe